What are the benefits of delivering a presentation with well-designed slides? The key condition for delivering a good and successful presentation as a speaker, presenter, or trainer is having self-confidence. Now, if the speaker uses well-crafted and professional slides during the presentation, these slides can help boost their confidence. Even in moments when their confidence might falter, the slides can assist them by capturing the audience's attention, which in turn helps the speaker regain and maintain their confidence. Another important point is that using well-designed slides as a tool to capture the audience's attention greatly enhances the retention of the content in their minds, provided the tool is used effectively and professionally. Additionally, if you are going to deliver a presentation in a meeting where the goal is to persuade the audience about a particular topic, slides can be a powerful tool to enhance your persuasion skills. I hope you learned slide design techniques well. Create professional slides and recall these benefits for yourself. That's it. Stay happy, my dear friends.